Come on.
We totally need to
Sissy.
spend $70.
Sissy, come on.
You know what?
What?
But if we have to stay living there for a while, another couple months or whatever, we totally need to invest $70
What?
in not having to be home.
Oh.
Cool.
Well, yeah.
Kids would have fun. We would have fun. Yeah. Well, we would be hurting, but the kids would have fun.
Falling saber is hilarious.
That's the only way to make it work.
Here, go. We'll go around the long way. Give you time to skate.
Are you going forward?
Yes. You think he's doing, Goof? Don't fall.
Yeah,
Run
stop
the whole
trying to
way.
show off.
Oh, man.
That would have hurt.
Oh, pink minion. What did I say about showing off? Stop.
I'm happy I got my
Yep, that way. That way.
Is this our one?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And fitting.
Yeah, just hold my hand here.
Alex
That's all.
and Dakota.
There is a little like fork and stuff for